Good morning, my little green birds. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, what we are going to be going over is the Percy Nobleman Skincare Brood Grooming Kit, and also the Face and Stubble Wash by the same company. So if you guys are totally interested and checking out to see how these products perform, then stay tuned. Okay, so, I am not a big fan of just buying stuff off of Amazon because Amazon is very, I've never opened this before, by the way. Amazon is very suspicious and everything. And yeah, I don't know, like, I would never buy professional products from them, but stuff like this is a little different. And especially if you go to the company's website where they say that an affiliate or third-party company that sells their stuff is Amazon, then I will totally buy it from there. But yeah, I would never buy professional skincare from them. It is just not the smartest thing to do. So right now I'm opening up the Face and Stubble Wash right now. I shaved my face the other day, so I am not shaving my face for this video. I'm just going to see what these products are all about and how they perform. So what comes inside of this kit is beard wash, signature beard conditioning oil, beard balm, and beard comb. I don't need the little beard comb because it's not a brush. So, what's this? How do you open this thing? How do you retract it? Okay. Wow, this is pretty hard. Okay, so there we go. If I had a mustache or a full-on beard, this would probably be something I'm all about, but yeah. I don't really like this. It feels a little cheap. I believe that all of this stuff was like literally maybe $30 or underneath of $30 or below $30. So yeah. So we're just gonna go right into it because it's all about face and it's all about the face basically. And we're going to start off with the Face and Stubble Wash. So this comes in 75 milliliters, so 2.5 ounces. It's pretty straightforward how to use all of this. They are made in, oh, I didn't even notice this. They're based in the UK, and not everyone, everything is made in England. So let's see, anything that stands out in terms of how the products perform. Formulated with natural cleanser derived from coconut, our face wash will provide gentle cleaning without stripping your skin or hair of the natural oils. I don't see anything that really stands out with the way how this is supposed to smell. Okay. Got my water. I'm gonna be washing my beard too. Hey, you guys are gonna kill me. I did not wash my face last night before I went to bed. I was just too tired, not bothered. So, God, this stuff is really hard to get out of. Okay, so Face Stubble Wash. Oh, it doesn't have a seal. So there's the product. It's very clear. It's dripping all over the place. It has more of like smells like mint, basically, and slightly like cucumber. I don't know why. I'm kind of getting like a cucumber scent, but I don't recall seeing anything in here that is related to it. I really like the way how it feels so far. It's pretty refreshing. It's that's the only thing I can think of. So right now I'm going to use their beard wash, which comes in 1 fluid ounce. So there's that for you. Let's see what this is. You know, this one smells a little different. I kind of don't like the scent of it. The heck is in it? It smells like a little much like too much like plastic. I don't know what is up with that. Let's see what the heck is in here. Bark oil, citrus, lime oil. I don't know, it just smells a little funny to me. I had this sitting on my face now for a good moment, so what I'm going to do is I am going to get a hot towel and wipe this all off. Oh my gosh. I rarely ever use white face towels or hand towels. The beard wash was really weird. I did not like that one at all. I don't know what was with the scent for that. That was just kind of creepy. No, that was a major no. My skin looks pretty good for not washing it last night, just to let you all know. Okay, let's put that down. And let's see, we're gonna pop this one out. So I'm gonna use the beard conditioning oil. It comes in 1 fluid ounce. Oh, wow. I was kind of hoping that this was going to be in a glass, but I did not realize it was in plastic. So, what is in here? Signature scented beard conditioning oil, sweet almond argan, avocado, jojoba, signature fragrance. I will say I don't see anything that is very harmful. Most of their ingredients, from what I'm looking at, is pretty clean. Now, let's see. I actually like the scent of this beard oil. It's very thick, just to let you know. I will say, I guess, like, one of the things I like about this plastic bottle is that you can squeeze the drops out of it. Like, sometimes it gets really annoying when you're having to deal with a dropper when your hands are already wet and you're trying to do everything on this, like, less is more. Sometimes. Well, I really like the scent of this. It smells very clean and very fresh. It's not very overwhelming and it's not overpowering. Now, next thing is their beard balm. One, basically it comes in 20 milliliters, so it's a little over an ounce, no, half ounce, so 67 milliliters or ounces, whatever. Wait, 20 milliliters, but 37, 0.3. Oh my god, I can't even speak right now. I don't know if it's because I didn't wash my face or something like that. Maybe that's what I'm like thinking about unconsciously. It is 20 milliliters and it's 0.67 fluid ounces. Okay, how the heck are you supposed to open this thing? Okay, there we go. Okay, what is in here? I like the scent of it so far. Shea butter, bee wax, patchouli. That was the earthy scent that I was getting. Ooh, I love patchouli. Well, this is the first. So, looks like this. I scraped some out. Sweet orange and patchouli. Oh my gosh, I really love that. I haven't checked to see if this brand, Percy Nobleman, if they have more than what they offer already. Because, like I said, I'm not a big fan of sitting here shopping online like that. I'll stare at things online, but then I get the ultimate satisfaction by, by actually going to the store. I don't know where they sell any of this. I really like that. This is very soft and it's subtle. I really like it. I'm very pleasantly surprised with this one. Okay, we're just gonna wipe off any of the excess product on this discarded towel. Throw that right there. And of course, I'm gonna take my Black Girl sunscreen and I'm going to put some on. In case you're all wondering, literally a little goes a long way. I'm almost out and I need to replenish. My skin looks so hydrated. So, I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this, okay? In case you guys are wondering, I'm using Viva Day Spa Lip Balm. I've been switching back and forth from professional lip hydrators to Day Spa status lip balms and everything. I'm going like back and forth. So, in case you guys are wondering, in my toiletry bag, these are the 3 main things that I predominantly use most of the time. So, when it comes down to the face double wash, it's pretty chill. I really liked it. I felt like it was doing its job. Okay, I would probably give this more. I'll give it like I'll give it a 6. Now, when it comes down to their beard wash, this was kind of unattractive because it smells like plastic to me. Okay, I'm gonna give this more like a 4 for the fact it literally smells like plastic. Now, when it comes down to the beard conditioning oil. I was very pleasantly surprised. I'm giving this one a 7. And when it comes down to the beard balm, I am just so happy with the fact that there's patchouli in it. So the fact that it has patchouli in it, okay, and I do like how hydrating it feels on my beard, because you'll want to massage these type of products into the beard down to the skin. I was very surprised that there was patchouli, like I said, so I am going to give this an 8. It's not strong, but it's very light with a hint of earthiness, and I was very, very happy to see that and listen in the ingredients. So other than that, would I recommend this? I would recommend this to you guys, okay? Like full, like this whole system as a whole, I would give this, I'll give it a 6, okay? I would give it a 7, but that's being way too generous. I will give this a 6. This is something that I would recommend, but I would definitely not recommend this beard wash. It was really unattractive, but these are my 2 favorite things. I want to say the beard balm is my favorite because of the patchouli scent in it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, definitely please push that subscribe button, and also don't forget to push the notification button so when I have a new video, you will be notified. And thank you so much once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.